Your mind's probably already on pumpkin spice, but this week's forecast is about corn sweat and climate change fueled excessive heat. Let's talk about it. So, the eastern US is underneath yet another intense heat dome and then squeezed by a passing weather system to the north. Excessive heat warnings were in effect for parts of the Midwest, including Chicago, due to potential record highs and feels like temperatures from 110 to 115. And all the corn sweat took the internet by storm. And while it's a common thing at this time of the year, it was made worse by the excessive temperatures that were driven by human-caused climate change. In fact, between Tuesday, August 27th, and Friday, August 30th, about 120 million Americans in 19 states across the eastern half of the country are expected to experience at least one day with a climate shift index of 3. Temperatures made 3 times more likely due to carbon pollution. 76.6 million of those are forecast to experience at least one day with a climate shift index of 5, where climate change has boosted temperatures and made them 5 times more likely to occur at this time of the year. Or more simply put, heat that would be almost nearly impossible without climate change. Okay, so the impacts. In Philadelphia, at least 63 schools had to be released early on Tuesday and again on Wednesday because of the dangerous heat inside of the classroom. The heat on Wednesday for Philly made it at least 3 times more likely. But a recent Climate Central analysis, the trend over the last 50 years in the city of brotherly love, the need for back-to-school air conditioning has increased by 25%. So if you're watching this online at the coffee shop, make it an iced pumpkin spice, and also head over to csi.climatecentral.org. You can see the impacts of climate change on temperatures globally and in your community.